All doing today? It's Monday and I'm here today sa Mabolo, just across Landers, and I'm on my way to SM City, Cebu. And kay makikmeet ko sa akong best friend. So it's been a while nga wala mi nakita, and today is a great opportunity for us to catch up and maybe we could have some lunch and whatnot. So I'll see you later kay magsakay pa akong jeep padulong dito, and um, what's that? Magkita-kita lang ta dito. Okay? So, see you around.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and nata ko ron diri sa SM. Just waiting for my friend to arrive, and maybe we're gonna watch a movie. We'll just check once I nice and available today. So for the meantime, while waiting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell. See you later. Okay guys, so finally after 48 years, niabot na gud siya, and here, Mike. So today magpalit na mig ticket sa, of course, sa sinihan. We'll be watching X-Men. So daghag niingon nga bati ko no ang movie, but we'll see for ourselves if sakto ilahang comment. So we'll give you our feedback later and our review sa movie, and so see you around. Okay, nakapalit na may ticket, and we're going inside the cinema, and bawal mo nag-video dito, so until later, bye-bye. Okay guys, welcome back, and so we're done watching the movie. So it was a 2.5 hour run. Right now, gutom na kayo, so we're gonna find a place to eat, and then maybe later we will discuss our comments and review sa X-Men movie. Alright, so see you later. Okay guys, we're on our way to Jollibee, and kamora may dool and barato. So again, later we'll share our comments and review sa movie. Okay, so nasa among unahan. Okay, so Jollibee na. There is a third floor, and we're gonna find a place after na to mag-order. Okay? Kato ka na. Chicken. Alright, so maglinya sa me, and we'll get back to you. Okay guys, so we're done with our order. Chicken and here's Mike. So makaon na mi. Balik kami ninyo makaon sa midaan. Okay? Guys, so change of plan. So manamig kaon, and we're supposed to share to you our comments and feedback, but we had a change of plan, so nasa Milakon, and later on we'll catch you. Okay? Okay, nasa may paliton, and we're inside the department store, and basta na pa may paliton. So every time I come here sa SM, mahapit ko diri sa home, ito sa pinakababaw nga section, home improvement, mga gamit sa balay. It's nice to look at, and imagine ka sa imong future house sa iyang itsura, and mo to siya. So again, tingog sa diyan. So, shy pa siya. So, see you later. Hi guys, so we're back and we found a place, coffee bean, coffee shop and ang libre siya o kape. So, it's a great place for us to share our comments, our feedback about kuan, sa katong movie nga itong kitanaw earlier. So, sorry kayo kayo. I'm trying to find nang dili kayo glaring ang effects sa lights. Okay, so nag-order na siya. Kita na ko place. I think this is a good place for us. Okay. So So ilara i-serve ang among i-order and chill-chill lang sa tagamay, okay? What's up guys? So welcome again and we're here sa SM City Cebu and earlier moto nagtanaw mi og X-Men movie. Dark Phoenix ang title sa kanang latest X-Men nga movie. And today or right now I'm gonna share to you guys unsa akong reaction or what's my feedback about the movie. So first of all, I'm not a like fan kaayo sa X-Men series and wala jud kayo ko nakasubaybay, so I'll just take this review as like as sole kanang as just one movie lang, dili siya interconnected sa other series niya. So for now with the plot nga sa storyline, overall it's okay and also sa iyang the way the shoot was taken, iyang videos. There's just murag na mga segments dito nga murag too digital, murag indie film na noon siya tanawon. Kay amot lang, feel lang nako dili siya same as other movies nga cinematic ayo, but mura to akong idea or akong comment. And also mura siya kulang siya sa action. I would say kay murag gikan na ka sa Avengers nga movie, so ang imong expectation is magka-level up gyud bitaw. So right now i-compare di gyud nimo siya malikayan nga ma-compare ang X-Men Dark Phoenix to Marvel sa to Avengers. So Avengers nga movie, so mo na siya nalay portion dito nga kulang sa action and medyo bitin siya. So I think that's the reason why people online, on Facebook and social media are saying that murag bati ko no ang X-Men Dark Phoenix. So overall it was a good movie. It ran for about 2.5 hours if I'm not mistaken, and so far maura to siya. I think last ni siyang kuan nga installment sa X-Men nga series before siya napalit sa Disney ang Fox. So I think we can expect a lot better nga mga series when Disney starts producing their own line sa kaning Marvel nga series. So what do you think guys? So share on the comment section below and let us know your thoughts about sa Dark Phoenix if nakita mo, or if wala pa See it for yourself kay basin lahi ra gyud sa data og taste sa movie. But for me right now, medyo kulang siya. If I'm gonna rate it from 1 to 10, maybe 10 is the highest. I think I would give it a 6. Kay there are times na boring, kay daghang narration, and again, as mentioned earlier, medyo kulang yun iyahang action or iyahang mga battle scenes sa katong kalaban and Jean Grey. So, I think that's it. Nakagagihapon me, there is a coffee bean, or not coffee bean, coffee dream, and chill lang sa gamay. And I got my frap. So, makonsume na mo ambot asa na may padulok tambay-tambay. So, I think that's just it for today. I'm not sure if I can insert some clips, but for the movie review, that's just it. So, see you around. Bye. Okay guys, so we'll just close this video. So it's been a long day, and thank you so much for watching. So hopefully we can upload more videos soon, and maybe some other movie reviews perhaps. So for now, that's just it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in today. Bye bye.